Okay, so we left off on the stream. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go down to this next icon here, which is called Classwork. So Classwork is really the guts of the guts of the app and the guts of the classroom. And the reason why I say that is because this is where a teacher has to go uh, all the time to post assignments, materials, to post whatever that is in the class. It's right here. Okay, so going from top to bottom again is we have some people call it the pancake stack, some people call it the hamburger stack. You can see we have the list of classes, which we're still in test class, so we'll click that and we'll click out of it. We have the name. Here's our Google Meet link again. This is the to-do list for the class. So if you click on this, you get to see all the assignments for the class, all those that are assigned, and you can scroll through it and see. If you want to go back, you can. Up here, you'll notice there is a filter, so you could change it to just missing work or just assigned work. And then you also have some feedback that you can give to Google if you want a new feature in Google Classroom. And we'll go back. So the last thing you have up here is you have these three dots. These three dots give you filter, refresh, and send Google feedback. Sending Google feedback is if you really think the app needs something changed, you can click this. It'll take you to a form to fill out, have some good ideas, and they do respond to feedback. Refresh means pull the class again. If the teacher changed something, you'll know to change. Now, this big one here, and the reason why we're saving it for last, is filter. So what filter does is when you click on it, these are all the topics that are in the class. So let's say the teacher is doing it by week and we want to see all the homework for that this week of Friday, May 1st. We click on it and this is all the assignments for just that week. Now, if they're doing it by unit, so if we go back here and say they're doing it by unit, and here's the first unit is materials. If we click on materials, we can see everything they labeled as materials. So if topics are in use in a Google Classroom, this could be your favorite button right up here. So here we are. You can see in the Classwork section itself, these are either materials or other things, and notice how they're gray. Some are bright blue, and some they have different symbols. And if we keep scrolling, what you'll see is we have blue headings, basically. So these blue headings don't necessarily have to be here. The teacher can put them in. Those headings are about they're called topics for the teacher. The different symbols are this symbol here that looks like a clipboard is an assignment or a quiz. This that looks like a book is a material that the student has to look at and but they don't have to do anything or turn anything in. And if we scroll down, we can see the question mark. This is like a discussion question. We will go over these in a separate video on going into them and what they look like and stuff, but that's what they are. And as you can see, we can scroll all the way through and get to the bottom of the list. It's pretty easy on a phone. I'm using a mouse right now, but you can just swipe up and you'll scroll really fast through it. The reason why this is a bright color and these are not is all these other assignments have been turned in and this assignment has not. These materials will always be gray because they never need to be turned in. So the assignments will stay lit up until they get turned in. And that's pretty much it for the Classwork section. And the next video, we will go through when you click on one of these, what happens in the app. And then we will go to the people section. All right. Thanks for watching.